Hello, I'm back with my second YouTube video. So much has happened since the first one where I tested out a squat machine that I got in the mail. International acclaim. I did a Japanese whiskey ad. I've become very famous in a certain part of the world. Just one town. I wanted to do another one. And I didn't know what I would do. I decided to buy this face mask. This face mask that makes you look old. It sucks everything into the middle of your face. I actually don't know. Here's the thing. I get really taken in by Instagram videos. I know that they're marketing it at me based on the things that I look at, and I just kind of let it happen. So I've bought and tried a couple things I've seen from Instagram, like the squat machine you can see in my last video. I don't know, this is the second thing I've tried. I haven't been disappointed. The product I found is called Hanacure, and you can get a set of 1 or 4. They're pretty expensive. A set of 1 is $30, a set of 4, I think this was, I don't know, it was $100 something. But I invested in it. I decided long term I wanted to keep this going, give it a try, because it had such great reviews. You know, it's meant to do all these things that facial masks promise to do. Reduce aging or something. Wait, I could truly just read the box. Formulated to help target your skin's concern and deliver immediate visible results. Anti-aging, clarifying, lifting, firming, brightening, contouring, pore tightening, even skin tones, give you a great cool boyfriend. I think it'll be neat. Here's what the box looks like. They basically do that Apple branding kind of box, that nice thick white box. In it, you're like, oh, something's expensive in there. It wastes a lot of materials. And then the other thing I got from them was it's called nano emulsion. Basically, it's just their lotion. But it opens like this. I'm very taken with that. Not a lot of boxes open like that from the middle, so worth the $50 or whatever it was. This was back when I had more money. I actually bought this a while ago, but I haven't let myself try it because I have not been sticking to my diet, which is no dairy, no gluten. This isn't a diet in terms of like a slimming down diet. This is a diet in terms of my body rejects these things. It makes me feel sick, but I can't seem to stop eating them. Ultimately, dairy and gluten make my skin complete garbage. I've been having a run of eating bad food, and I was like, I'm not going to allow myself to try this thing that cost an amount until I can go a month without Taco Bell. I did have Taco Bell 2 days ago, but I didn't have a ton of it. And I've drank a lot of water since then, so I think I deserved it. I don't at all. I've already taken off my makeup, which is why I look this way. Humbling experience to see myself in the camera as such without makeup, but this is the palette. It is clean. I use Curology, and it cleared up the acne problems I had. Look. In addition to Curology, which is kind of a cure-all for your skin, that's usually not enough for people, okay? So like, if you get Curology and you said to yourself, well, this didn't really work for me, it's because you probably also need to do other things like drink a lot of water and cut out dairy. Buying the product to put on your face is simple, the rest of it is like garbage, but it did help me more than anything else. I got adult acne when I turned about 22 or something, and from then on it's been a problem for about 10 years. I just managed it. When we open the box, what does it say? Protect beauty, restore purity. Okay, I'm not a verge. It's gonna give me instructions. I would love to read those, but also kind of no I wouldn't. I'm just gonna glance at it. There's these vials here, but then there's these pods here, and a brush here. I'm in art. I can probably use this. Okay, soft. What do you think? Soft? We agree. Here's what I think the instructions are telling me to do. Open this, put this in this, mix it up with this, slam it on this. Right in the middle, right in the kisser. Put the one thing in the thing, got it. Don't open it all the way. You want to shake it up like a McDonald's salad shaker. It was just like a cup with a dome on it, and there was just salad in it, and you just, all the dressing, you shake it up. Basically, this is the same model as the McDonald's salad shaker. So anybody familiar with that can absolutely use this product. Put it on your face evenly and leave for 20 minutes. Rinse everything, use the lotion. I think I can do that. Here I go with the mixing. My tripod doesn't angle down. So this is the a shitty view. So first it's this. I'm gonna peel it back, but it says not all the way. Remember, this is the salad shaker method. very hard to open, as it turns out. Okay, teeth. Some went in my mouth. I'm gonna open it a little. The taste, tastes like chemical poison. Pull out one of these vials. Okay, sip of coffee time. Okay. This isn't me fucking around for the camera. I literally can't. Great packaging. Probably too good. Ha! I could get a chair. Yeah, that'll be the chair will save us. Okay, so I professionally opened this about a quarter of the way. It took me a good 2 hours just to get this out of the box, which I did. I wasted a lot of time and energy, and I aged. And this is basically the culmination of all your hopes and fears about aging. And then we're gonna put it into this slightly open, what are those yogurts, you know? It's called the corners, and you open it, you like put one thing into the corner of the yogurt. Rachel, cram it. I've put the serum into the serum. Now I'm going to hold this down a minute. Just like a salad shaker. And that should be mixed. I should probably put my hair back. Or kind of a Star Trek thing. We got the face, oh, actually there's lotion on it. Quick rinse. Woo! All right, I've done a quick rinse. I have a Rudolph red nose. Oh, $30 down the drain. What it looks like is just gel sludge. That's all. I'm going to just, I know I mixed it, but I feel like I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more with the brush. And it says to use the whole thing. So here we go. Ooh, nice and cold. I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm doing. This is very simple for a person like me. It says don't get it off your lips, or on your lips. I have an intense want right now to just slather this shit right all over my lips. All right, look, I'm gonna level with you. I'm 33 and I have almost no wrinkles, but let's get ahead of the game, you know? Man, it says use it all. There's a lot. Now I just feel like I'm overdoing it. Again, this is so, I can't put really any more on. And now I feel I've put on too much. I gotta see what time it is. What time is it? So I've just set a timer for 20 minutes. I can feel right now on one hand, it feels like cold gel, because that's exactly what I applied to my face. And then on the other hand, like it almost feels like this very, very slight heat, kind of like an icy hot, which I assume means that it's working. Minimize facial movements to maximize effects. May fan to increase intensity. Don't shoot a video when doing this because you'll have to move your mouth. This is for YouTube. Stop what you're doing right now. I'm just waiting for intensity. Okay, I can feel it drying up a little bit. No, I won't break. Actually, when I look at myself, that's when I want to start laughing. I'd love to have a drink of my coffee. I'm starting to feel it like get a little tight. It doesn't look any quite different yet. I'm not turning quite into an old fish, which is weird that that's the thing I'm hoping for the most. It's only been 5 minutes. You can see that I'm like starting to like get old. Part of what this does and why you think it works is because it's meant to absolutely humble you and bring you to your knees. So it turns you into the old person you're afraid of being for like 20 minutes and like forces you to reckon with your mortality. And then when you wash it off and you look at who you regularly are, you feel younger. You can like see like my face start to be like pulled, like right here. That's funny. Keep it going, baby. We're at the 10-minute mark, so it's half over. You can see around my mouth and like my jawline. At the 10-minute mark, I'm getting a glimpse of my imminent future. It is very, very hard not to laugh. Also, like my mouth feels like it only moves like Like, I feel like a Jim Henson puppet with a lot less flavor. I did take a couple sips of this and dribble it into my lap. It's like getting tighter and tighter, and I can't imagine what the next 10 minutes have in store. What if this never came off? It's like splitting. Oh my god. Hi. Okay, I have 5 minutes to go, and it's just more intense all the time. Oh, this is so funny. Like, there's no, it's taking my expression. Like, my eyebrows are like getting higher. It's getting so tight, but honestly, it feels good. There's no bit, there's nothing I can say that really captures how I feel. I think I got about 3 more minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and say in terms of the cheeks, I put on too much. You know, because it's not doing that thing that it's meant to do. I could have played the new Joker. No one asked. Hi, Batman. I'm the Joker. You may know me from being about to try to kill you. Yes, I do enjoy a McDonald's salad shaker. Why do you ask? All right, so I have about 2 minutes to go. And I think that roughly this is going to be as insane as it gets. But you can see that this did start to dry more. Not really right here. Again, I did too much. It said to use it all. I probably wouldn't though. I'm gonna wash it off now and see how hot it made me. Hi, I'm back. I have expressions. I wanted to like come back and have all my makeup on and everything, but that seemed like a lot of work and not funny. I rinsed it off. It came off really easily. You can see that my skin is like very shiny. It feels really smooth. It feels fresh. You can see like this area, it looks like plumped up. It's a little dry. Oh shit, no, I think it's just still stuff on it right now. Oh yeah. All right, yeah, I actually just didn't get it all off. My skin feels plumped up. It also feels like it's having a ball, but possibly it's happy about being back to normal. So this is their lotion. Again, the box opens like this. You don't see that a lot. Oh, I have very sensitive skin, and nothing in this process has hurt or stung or caused probably, I mean, like, is there some redness? Yes. My face just got sucked to the center of my nose, so I feel like with that comes a little bit of redness. Also, this is like glass. Yeah. Yeah. Do I look the same? I mean, yeah. Does it feel good? Yeah, it feels like I did something. I think the idea with this kit is you are meant to use it every couple weeks, and that's when you're meant to see the most results in terms of like lifting and clarifying and all that other stuff. Boyfriend, it promised. That's why I got the 4-pack. So I'm gonna do it again in a couple weeks. Now that I've started, that'll be a no Taco Bell thing for like a while. That's everything. That is the Hanacure Nano Emulsion Lotion. Nano emulsion. I don't know what that even could mean. I think it's like mushrooms in there. And the face mask system. I'm looking young and freaking hot now. Thank you so much for hanging out for my second big YouTube video. Bye.